If you're looking for a highly concentrated alkaline all-purpose cleaner, we would highly recommend Koch-Chemie's Green Star. But before we talk about why we like Green Star so much, let's talk a little bit about what an all-purpose cleaner actually is. An all-purpose cleaner is, as the name suggests, a cleaner that can be used on many different surfaces. It's traditionally reserved for very dirty or very grimy surfaces. You wouldn't want to use something like an all-purpose cleaner on things like leather or Alcantara, as it could wear them out or dry them prematurely. The thing that sets Green Star apart, and the reason that we like it so much, is that it's very highly concentrated. So that means you can dilute it down to the strength you need it to be for various different applications. You can dilute this anywhere from a 1 to 5 for things like cleaning your wheel wells or brake calipers, all the way to a 1 to 30 for things like interior panels or stained upholstery. If you need more information on dilution ratios, we actually did a video about just that, and I would recommend checking that out. Similar to McKee's N914, Green Star is a pretty simple chemical that actually has a lot of uses depending on how you dilute it and how you use it. We always have a bottle at a 1 to 10 dilution ratio in the garage for general cleaning or oily car parts, things like that. You can get it in a 1 liter bottle or a 5 liter bottle at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions about Green Star or what you should or shouldn't use an APC on, you can reach out in the comments or directly at support@obsessedgarage.com.